The weekly code quiz. Today's topic is fixed positioning. What is fixed positioning? When the position property of an element is set to fixed, it is positioned relative to the viewport. What happens to a fixed element when you scroll the page? The result is that a fixed element always stays in the same place despite scrolling the page. What properties are used to further position a fixed element? Similarly, the top, bottom, left, and right properties are again used to further position the fixed element. Does a fixed element leave a gap where it would have been positioned? A fixed element is removed from normal flow and does not leave a gap where it would have been positioned. Here is the HTML code again for section 2 in our demonstration. We see that it would be the fourth circle element. Here is the CSS. So in this example, we are looking at a circle element with a black color. This image shows that our fixed element is out of normal flow, sitting outside section 2, obscuring the section 1 heading and part of the navigation. And as we scroll, we see that the absolutely positioned element is revealed behind it. The fixed element will scroll with the page as you continue to scroll. We see in this video that the fixed element remains offset from the top and left of the viewport window based on our settings of 100 pixels for both. The element remains offset in this way as we scroll the page. Do fixed elements create problems with accessibility? Just like an absolutely positioned element, a fixed element creates issues with accessibility. This relates to how a fixed element also causes performance issues because the browser needs to redraw the fixed elements as its location changes as the page is scrolled. This may lead to glitches in the browser, and from an accessibility standpoint, a user may be confused. How can we improve the experience for the disabled? A way to improve the experience would be to add a will change property that is set to scroll position to the CSS. This property tells browsers that an element is expected to change. Browsers will optimize prior to executing the expected behavior. In this case, it may render the element in its own layer to improve performance and minimize problems with accessibility. Presented by Designers Learn Code.